Green, green, green. Fernandez is now leading. Yellow flag.
On your right. Keep your line. Still there. He's still there. Clear right. Far right. Clear right. Far right. Right side's clear.
Yellow flag.
Car on your right. And still there. Still there. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. Right side's clear.
Just hit E.
Right side. Still there. He's still with you. Car either side, you're in the middle. Clear on the left, in the middle. You're clear all round.
We've just had a warning for cutting the track. It's fine, mate. It's just a scrape.
You're clear on the left. On your left. Clear left.
B19. Yellow flag.
On your right. Keep your line, you are clear on the right. Car on your right, clear right.
Yellow flag.
Car on your left. Left side's clear, right side. Right side's clear. There's a car right. Right side's clear.
Your right sides are cold.
There's a car on your right. Still there, clear on the right.
P15. The driver in front of us is Cole.
Car right. Clear on the right. There's a guy on your right, clear right. Left side. Hold your line. Left side's clear.
13th place. The gap behind's increased to 1.7 seconds. Stay focused, we're still in this. Alright, 10 minutes to go, that's 10 minutes left. You're halfway home, got plenty of fuel. You're a second off the pace in Sector 1. Sector 2 is 0.41 off the pace. Sector 3 is 0.28 off the pace. Push now, we can catch this guy.
Left side, be on the left. Right side's clear.
8th place, and there's the finish. Good result, mate, well done.